Let's finish with a couple of recommendations here that you're looking at. I mean, people's got their own circumstances, but this is just such a fabulous way to get a broad diversification, in the broad real estate sector, up and down. But give me an example of something that has really caught your eye now. It may be a little easier to purchase, after the kinds of sort of declines we've seen in the markets for this space.
Let's go over what we said. I mean, we said we like grocery store anchored. We like First Capital REIT. Continues to be the largest holding in our fund. We said publicly at an investment conference just over a year ago, it was the highest quality grocery anchored portfolio in the world. That's a big, bold statement, even for Vision. It's like a $3.5 billion market cap. It has a nice 5% yield, and we think it's trading at a 25% discount to the value of the real estate. Industrial, I mentioned Dream Industrial REIT. That has also almost a 6% yield, $3.5 billion. We think it's trading at a 30% discount to the value of the real estate. In the UK, we like Tritax, big box, listed on the London Stock Exchange. Again, 5% yield for European REIT, 30% discount to value, really well positioned. You mentioned residential. We're avoiding apartments except for Boardwalk REIT, which has focus in Alberta and Saskatchewan, where there's no rent controls. It has enjoying the biggest population growth in Canada. That stock was $91 earlier last year. You can buy that stock today, $60. And the value of property transactions are actually going up. If you look at the price per square foot of where trades are happening in Calgary and Edmonton apartments, they're actually gone up. Boardwalk's on sale. And we like Sun Communities. Sun Communities is in manufactured housing communities, probably the best property class in the last 40 years. Very stable, very defensive. They have 116,000 manufactured housing community sites, 59,000 RV sites, 48,000 marina slips. That stock traded for 10 years between 2011 and 2021 at a 24% premium to net asset value. We love the fundamentals, but we didn't own it because we want to buy it at a discount. We bought that stock over the last year at a 10 to 20% discount to net asset value. They've never had 12 months of declining NOI. So those are some good names. Sun is SUI, is their symbol for your audience. And I guess the last area is seniors housing. Everybody understands the demographics, but there's some great operators in public markets. Chartwell in Canada, biggest name in the space, is a great name. CSH is its symbol, 4% yield, less discount to NAV because it's a high growth name. And Sienna REIT, which has a nice 6% yield to it. SIA is its symbol, trading at probably a 16 to 20% discount to the value of the underlying real estate. So good smattering, different sectors, diversified approach. That's sort of what we're doing on the long side.